In the previous lecture, you learned about the utilities. In this lecture, we are going to add the font size to our main and subheading. So I have also included the dummy text here and some blocks. At the moment, our layout look like this is a look that we have so far created, but don't worry, we are going to design it very soon. So in order to add the font size, we need to target these classes, right? So I'm adding these into this one. Okay, I'm calling this to typography, and then targeting the main heading class. You can use any approach you desire. Some people prefer to add the classes, and some people directly target the element and set their font size there. I usually do that is I set my font size, my basic font styling here in the variable, and then I call them to the main heading and subheading, primary heading, and these type of naming I mostly use. So it's up to you which approach you desire to use. I am setting its font size to 2 rem. And then we have a subheading font size 2.5 rem. Let's check out on the browser that we have actually added, because we have actually added it here, main heading, and this is a subheading. Okay, and main heading and subheading, and this is the flow that we are using. Let's check out into the browser. Here you can see that we have actually added our desired font, and this one is the 2 rem and this one is the 2.5 rem. I call it a subheading. You can use whatever approach you desire. The best approach is to add the variable here, like heading 1, heading 2, and then use that variable into your element or in classes. I think that's enough for this lecture. I will see you in the next one.